Study vocabularies or phrases. Number 1, practical skill ជំនាញអនុវត្ត Number 2, practice អនុវត្ត Number 3, cooking ការចម្អិន Number 4, cooked ចុងភៅ Number 5, grilled អាំង Number 6, breast ខ Number 7, ingredient គ្រឿងផ្សំ Number 8, strengthen ពង្រឹង Number 9, homemade food ម្ហូបធ្វើនៅផ្ទះ Conversation about a practical skill. Conversation about a practical skill. សន្ទនាអំពីជំនាញអនុវត្ត What practical skill have you learned? What practical skill have you learned? តើអ្នកបានរៀនជំនាញអនុវត្តអ្វីខ្លះ Cooking is a practical skill that I have practiced recently. Cooking is a practical skill that I have practiced recently. ការធ្វើម្ហូបជាជំនាញជាក់ស្ដែងដែលខ្ញុំបានអនុវត្តថ្មីនេះ Who taught you that skill? Who taught you that skill? តើនរណាជាអ្នកបង្រៀនអ្នកនៅជំនាញនោះ My mom is the best cook. She taught me everything about how to make soup, salad, omelets, cakes, etc. My mom is the best cook. She taught me everything about how to make soup, salad, omelets, cakes, etc. ម៉ាក់របស់ខ្ញុំគឺជាចុងភៅដ៏ល្អបំផុត គាត់បានបង្រៀនខ្ញុំគ្រប់យ៉ាងអំពីរបៀបធ្វើស៊ុប សាឡាត់ អូឡែត នំ ឡាក់ How did you learn it? How did you learn it? តើអ្នកបានរៀនវាដោយរបៀបណា She shows me how to buy food, prepare ingredients, and cook meals when never exist in the kitchen. I learned how to boil, grill, steam, fry, fresh, etc. day by day. She shows me how to buy food, prepare ingredients, and cooked meals when never exist in the kitchen. I learned how to boil, grill, steam, fry, breath, etc. day by day. គាត់បង្ហាញខ្ញុំពីរបៀបទិញអាហាររៀបចំគ្រឿងផ្សំនិងធ្វើម្ហូបគ្រប់ពេលដែលគាត់នៅក្នុងផ្ទះបាយខ្ញុំរៀនស្ងោរអាំង steam ចៀនខជាដើមពីមួយថ្ងៃទៅមួយថ្ងៃ Why did you learn it? Why did you learn it? ហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នករៀនវា I just want to be a good cook like my mom. When I get married, I will prepare the best dishes for my husband and children. I just want to be a good cook like my mom. When I get married, I will prepare the best dishes for my husband and children. ខ្ញុំគ្រាន់តែចង់ធ្វើជាចុងភៅល្អដោយម្ដាយខ្ញុំពេលខ្ញុំរៀបការខ្ញុំនឹងរៀបចំម្ហូបល្អបំផុតសម្រាប់ប្តីនិងកូនរបស់ខ្ញុំ How long did it take for you to learn it? How long did it take for you to learn it? តើត្រូវចំណាយពេលប៉ុន្មានដើម្បីរៀនវា I learned it in 4 years. The skill seems to be strengthened when I live apart from my family for studying. I learned it in 4 years. The skill seems to be strengthened when I live apart from my family for studying. ខ្ញុំបានរៀនវាក្នុងរយៈពេល4ឆ្នាំជំនាញហាក់ដូចជាត្រូវបានពង្រឹងនៅពេលដែលខ្ញុំរស់នៅដាច់ដោយឡែកពីគ្រួសាររបស់ខ្ញុំសម្រាប់ការសិក្សា How often do you use this skill? How often do you use this skill? តើអ្នកប្រើជំនាញនេះញឹកញាប់ប៉ុណ្ណា I cooked every day. I also loved homemade food. I cooked every day. I also loved homemade food. ខ្ញុំធ្វើម្ហូបរាល់ថ្ងៃខ្ញុំក៏ស្រឡាញ់អាហារធ្វើនៅផ្ទះដែរ How has this skill helped you? How has this skill helped you? តើជំនាញនេះបានជួយអ្នកយ៉ាងដូចម្តេច? It makes me more confident whenever I go on the picnic outside. I'm always responsible for the BBQ. It makes me more confident whenever I go on the picnic outside. I'm always responsible for the BBQ. វាធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំមានទំនុកចិត្តកាន់តែខ្លាំងនៅពេលដែលខ្ញុំទៅលេងហូបអាហារនៅខាងក្រៅខ្ញុំតែងតែទទួលខុសត្រូវចំពោះ BBQ. Do people in your family know this skill too? Do people in your family know this skill too? តើមនុស្សក្នុងគ្រួសាររបស់អ្នកស្គាល់ជំនាញនេះដែរឬទេ? My younger sister knows how to cook too. She has just started learning. My younger sister knows how to cook too. She has just started learning. ប្អូនស្រីខ្ញុំក៏ចេះធ្វើម្ហូបដែរនាងទើបតែចាប់ផ្ដើមរៀន Do all skills need learning? Do all skills need learning? តើជំនាញទាំងអស់ត្រូវការរៀនមែនទេ? Yes, they do. Practice makes perfect. Yes, they do. Practice makes perfect. បាទត្រូវការរៀនការអនុវត្តធ្វើឲ្យល្អឥតខ្ចោះ How is this skill important to you? How is this skill important to you? តើជំនាញនេះមានសារៈសំខាន់យ៉ាងណាចំពោះអ្នក? It's an essential life skill. All women need to know this to keep their family warm and happy. It's an essential life skill. All women need to know this to keep their family warm and happy. វាជាជំនាញជីវិតដ៏សំខាន់ស្ត្រីគ្រប់រូបត្រូវដឹងរឿងនេះដើម្បីរក្សាគ្រួសាររបស់ពួកគេឲ្យមានភាពកក់ក្ដៅនិងសុភមង្គល Study vocabularies or phrases. Number 1 practical skill ជំនាញអនុវត្ត Number 2 practice អនុវត្ត Number 3 cooking ការចម្អិន Number 4 cooked ចុងភៅ Number 5 grilled អាំង Number 6 breast ខ Number 7 ingredient គ្រឿងផ្សំ Number 8 strengthen ពង្រឹង Number 9 homemade food ម្ហូបធ្វើនៅផ្ទះ Thank you